I know exactly what you're doing right now. You're watching this video curled up on your couch, completely ignoring that coffee mug that's been sitting on your desk for 2 days, or that massive pile of clothes accumulating on the sacred chair in your bedroom. And hey, it's fine. I'm not judging you. I am a professional procrastinator too. But what if I told you that you can literally glitch your own brain into keeping your place decent without standing up for more than 120 seconds at a time? Welcome to the 2-minute rule for the chronically lazy. The concept is ridiculously simple: if a task takes less than 2 minutes to do, you have to do it right now. I know it sounds like boring, generic self-help advice, but here's the secret: the lazy brain has a massive manufacturing defect. Your mind genuinely convinces you that cleaning up is going to take hours, which is why you constantly push it off until tomorrow. But 2 minutes. 2 minutes doesn't trigger laziness, not even for your most unmotivated self. We aren't deep cleaning the whole house today, that's for people with way too much energy. We are just doing effortless micro-cleans. Hack number 1, the microwave window. Are you heating up food for 2 minutes? Do not just stand there staring at the digital screen like a zombie. In that exact time frame, you can empty the dishwasher, put away the clean plates, or wipe down the kitchen counter. The second the microwave beeps, your work for the day is officially done. Magic. You didn't waste a single extra second of your life. Hack number 2, the one-way trip rule. Every single time you get up to go to the bathroom or head to the kitchen for a glass of water, you're legally obligated to bring one object with you that doesn't belong in the room you're leaving. A mug, a dirty sock, a random piece of trash. You are basically cleaning while walking. You're doing chores without even realizing you're doing chores. And hack number 3, the mirage effect. If your bedroom is an absolute war zone, but your bed is neatly made, the room automatically looks 50% cleaner to the human eye. Making your bed takes exactly 40 seconds. Just pull the duvet up, fluff the pillow, and walk away. Do this, and the lazy guilt will vanish instantly. At the end of the day, having a decent home isn't about spending your entire Sunday scrubbing the floors. It's about beating your own laziness at its own game, 2 minutes at a time. If you want to know the only 3 cheap products I bought to cut my cleaning time in half, click on the video appearing on your screen right now. Subscribe to the Smart Lazy Club, and I'll see you over there.